Hello my friends and welcome to my channel again. On today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this motor mount. This one is broken on this Toyota Camry 2009 and it's the 4-cylinder engine. So this car, the motor shakes a lot due to a broken mount as you guys can see, and this is the one that breaks the most on these cars, just because there's only one mount on the top and the engine tends to move back and forth when you reverse it and you accelerate it. So these ones are the ones that break the most. Right now I just got my replacement, which I just got from Amazon. It was only 30 bucks, super cheap. It was only 20 or 30. I'm gonna leave it on the description so you guys can get it for super cheap. And it only takes, for me it takes a couple of days because I'm in Hawaii, but if you're in the mainland then it would be only like a day, maybe same day. But this is super easy. We're gonna use a number 14. So we have a 14, so 2 screws, 2 bolts, number 14, and then all you do, you grab your ratchet, it might be really hard, you might need both hands. Okay, I'm also gonna change this long socket for the shorter one. And then we just have to loosen it open. Let's see, it's pretty hard. Okay guys, so I just got my bar here. We're gonna pry it open. And we're gonna break it open. Let's see. There we go. Next one is also pretty hard, so just grab your bar and just break it open. Okay, and this is our bad motor mount. As you can see guys, it's gone. So you guys will need to replace this if the engine is shaking and you see that this is broken like this. Now we're gonna install a new one. Okay, so like this, we just put it in. Super easy. Make sure it's tight. Okay. And this is how you change the motor mount for the top motor mount for the Camry. I think this is the second generation Toyota Camry. Yeah. Very easy, super simple. You just need a number 14 and a ratchet and maybe a breaker bar, and that's it. Alright guys, so that's how you change the motor mount on the car. Very easy, and for my next video I'm going to show you how to change the shocks for the hood. So it's going to be very simple. This part I got it on Amazon. I'm going to put it also on the link so you guys can get it for super cheap. This hood is actually stays closed, it won't stay open, so we're going to be changing the shocks on my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next video.